Hi there students, I had a question from Akshat about the difference between later and later on, and the difference between except and except for. Well, both of these are examples of when there is no effective difference between the two, but adding the extra word just gives more emphasis. I'll see you later. I'll see you later on. Both are fine. I think the purpose of the on is just adding emphasis later in time. The start of the book was quite boring, but later it became very interesting. But later on, it became very interesting. So here again, it's giving emphasis to this and nothing more. You can use both phrases interchangeably. The same goes with except and except for. So he does this every day except Sunday. He does this every day except for Sunday. Okay, again, the same meaning. I think the for is just adding emphasis to our phrase. I want everyone except John to stay behind. I want everyone except for John to stay behind. Here again, both meanings are perfectly possible and perfectly acceptable. So, there you go, 40. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Later, later on, except for.